Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. And y'all, we got some cuties this week, so let's go ahead and get into it. First things first though, I do want to go over this month, which we are talking February's freebies, because it's about that time. So starting on February 1st, if you place an order, these will be the freebies that will be added to your order based on the amount you spend. So all orders, so no matter how much you spend, all shop orders, besides mystery, of course, but y'all know that, get a journaling card. This one is based on a mystery kit from last year that was kind of like a girls' night, but I thought that'd be cute for February. And then 4 little foil sheets. So for example, this one has silver little Valentine's Day doodles, silver J. Crew plans, scripts, rose Valentine's Day deco bits, and then some gold heart headers. So that is going to be the all orders freebie. You'll get a journaling card and 4 random pieces of foil. My brain is not fully turned on because I have not fully caffeinated yet, which is not a great idea, but it's also quiet at my house, so we're filming. Then 75 plus is going to be the couple stickers. Y'all really liked these last time, so I went ahead and did a new colorway of them, and I think they are perfect for Valentine's Day time or just in all the time general. Then same as always, $150 plus, you're going to get a random foil bundle, and then $300 plus, you are going to get a random ultimate kit. So this is just an example of a kit that you may get, but it will be a random ultimate kit. So that is the freebies for February. Then let's get into the releases for this week. First things first, we'll go through the color of the week. This week is a gorgeous, gorgeous green. It's a really nice light green. There is going to be the option to buy all for the doodles, but you can also buy them individually currently. And this is color number 98. And then there is also the option if you want to add on any of the a la carte scribblers. So you have all 6 options there as well, perfect for spring and summer alike. Then we do have some new characters this week. These were requested. So we have 160, which is Mushu. We have 161, which is Miko, or is it, I think it's Miko. And then 162, which is Baby Yoda. So cute. Then we have something that's been so requested, and I have been like dragging my feet on it, just like the Scribbler couples to do, and that is the Scribbler Friends. And I was talking to Hannah, and I was like, I have to do like so many combos, blah, 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 to have all of the combos in each listing. And she's like, why don't you just make a Scribbler Friends listing, and then you don't have to do as many combinations. And I was like, wow, you're so smart. So that's what I'm going to do, is there's going to be a Scribblers and Friends listing, because then I didn't have to make as many combos. But I'm pretty sure that I got every single combination. And if I didn't, just let me know in the comments down below and I will remedy. So this is going to be F1, so this is the friend activity 1, and this is 1 and 1. So this is fam 1 and 1. Then we have 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 6, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 6, 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 6, 6 and 2, yes, 6 and 2, 6 and 3. I have to like double take on making sure, yeah, and 6 and 6. So I think I got all the combinations. So there is just like everyone has with the same, and then there is like a combination throughout of each one with another one, if that makes sense. So I think I got everything. Let me know if I missed anything, but I'm pretty sure I triple checked. I even made like a chart, and I think I got them all. So as a Scribbler Friends, they'll be listed in their own little category. Now let's go into the foil bundles for this week. So the first one here, both of these are in confetti version too. This one is kind of like a sparkly tangerine. I couldn't really think of it. I don't feel like it's like fully like orange, like Halloween orange. It's more of like a warm tangerine in my opinion. So let me know if you agree with that color choice. I feel like orange is more orange, if you know what I mean. So this is in confetti version 2, and it is a really, really pretty color, again, for spring and summer. And I think would look really cute this week with this kit here. because this orange color is not like one of the 4 colors, but I think it'll be really fun. I might like need to do with this actually. I think that'd be really pretty to do together. And I think it'd be really cute with the checker print. Is it called checker print? I think. And doing the like a sparkly hollow and then mixing this, like doing the orange on top would be so fun. I think I might have to do that. I think it'd be very, very, very cute. So that is one of the foil bundles. The foil bundles are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. So I would get them while they're on a discount. And then the second foil bundle I have to show you. When I ordered this, it was a little more different than, like, it was a little different than it came out. But so this, to the naked eye, currently looks like rose, right? Like our rose. But then if you put it next to rose, it is a little bit lighter. So I'm not sure if I should name it like light rose, but it's like not dramatically lighter. Do you know what I mean? Like you can see you the difference? And maybe just call it light rose. Like it is slightly lighter, which I feel like is important to note, because if you got this and like you were trying to mix it with all of your rose, you'd be like, Andrea, maybe this is like not the same foil color. I feel like the best way to do it is to lay it flat, right? See, it's like lighter because this is the same lighting. So I'm thinking about calling it light rose. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I want to just be as like helpful as possible when naming these, but this is in the confetti version 2 foil bundle, and I think it's really, really pretty. I think it would look really pretty with Penelope this week. How would it look with this one? It actually would look really pretty with this one too, because there is this like this pink color that's almost exact. So another foil bundle for your week. And then let's go ahead and get into the kits for this week. Let's go ahead and show this reformat since it is here. This was February reformat last year. Well, it was February last year. I'm reformatting this year. My brain. It's not all there. So this is booked. It is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. I love it. I love, 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 love it. I think it's so cute. I loved using it last year. I think I used it with matte bronze. If you're really good with matte bronze, matte silver, but it would also be really pretty with matte bronze and rose mixed together. But very similar to the format of the mystery. Have your box there, and then your freebie and the ultimate and mini is just the like plain bookshelves by itself, and then a box that's perfect for a quote. We do have book add-ons in shop that would look really nice with this. If you just search book or book foil, it would come up. So that is the ultimate kit. That's the mini kit. And then add-on options, you have doodle, you have functional, you also have ombre, label, and label 2, which is like a kind of cool tone brown. Then you also do have fam options if you want to add it on. There is fam 1, fam 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that will be available on Wednesday as well. Very popular mystery. Love this art. I think it's so cute, and I definitely will be using it again. I just think it is gorgeous, and I'm a book girly, so, or at least I try to be. Then we do also have this kit here, which is Penelope, which is loosely based off of Bridgerton. Tried to keep it kind of minimal. So like this just reads like very like Victorian, I guess, era kind of situation. I'm not sure on all of the different eras and like technicality, but super cute, very minimal. Could be cute for Mother's Day, could be cute for just spring in general, or if you wanted to use it to mark Bridgerton. I love these colors. They're so like light and pretty. I think this one would look really pretty with that new light rose, but I also think it would be really pretty with lavender hollow or regular hollow or a mixture of them both. I think that would be really, really fun and kind of just make it a little different. Yeah, I think it's really, 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 really pretty. I love that bottom washi. It just gets me every single time. Freebie and ultimate and mini, but I think it's super cute. I may actually use it for the week of Mother's Day. I think that would be very, very fun and pretty. I do like Bridgerton, but I just kind of like the romantic kind of vibes of this set. So add-on options, you do have doodle, you do have functional as well as label, and then ombre as well. So keeping it simple there. And then last but not least, we do have Thanks a Brunch, which is so cute. Like I said, I think this would be gorgeous with that orange foil, the tangerine. I think that's really, really pretty because I feel like it's like almost an in-between. Like the darker colors kind of match this, but I feel like the lighter parts of it kind of match this like orangey tangerine color. So stinking cute. I did do on this and Penelope, I did do on Instagram, and I think I posted both of them on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok, I don't really get it, but I'm trying to get it. Somebody help me. But anyways, I posted like doing the full boxes, which y'all love. So I'm going to do that more often. It was way easier to do it where I just like screen recorded, sped it up, put music. So love that. There wasn't honestly a lot of art in this set. I used all of the art in the full boxes. And then, so I just added some pattern boxes, which I know y'all love for adding quotes on it. Like there's a lot of like brunch food kind of, what are they called? Puns that I think would be really, really cute with this. They get some from Hannah. I think the font 2 would look so cute with this. Font 2 is like my baby anyways, so I think it would be adorable. Another one that'd be really cute with this foil-wise would be Gold Hollow because of this like golden eggy yolk color. I just think that would also be very, very fun with it. Or like a blue if you wanted to go a little bit more simple. I think the check pattern just has to happen though. Or like a daisy, like groovy, if you have a groovy bundle laying around. I think it could be quite cute. So definitely gonna use this one. I'm thinking this one gives me like, it gives me either August, May, or June. That is what it's giving me. So you do have the doodle, the functional, the ombre, along with the label, and then label 2 is yellow, which the yellow is very fun. I debated back and forth of doing this, but looking at the art, I feel like there was more of the nude than the yellow, but I thought that like if you wanted to add it in, it would be really pretty to add in the pop of yellow. So it kind of just depends on what you're going for, but that is the last kit for this week. Also, mystery will be dropped off today if you're watching this live, which is Monday. So y'all should be getting that soon, and the mystery reveal will be going up on Wednesday. So if you sign up for mystery on the 1st when spots open, which I don't even know when the 1st is going to be. Is the 1st on Thursday? No. Yeah. Yeah, if you sign up on the 1st, sorry, my stomach's growling. I'm hungry. If you sign up on the 1st, that will be for a completely different mystery. Gorgeous as always, I'm letting you know. But it won't be for the one that's revealed on Wednesday. So I'm very excited for y'all to see and see your thoughts. But that is everything for this week. Give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I will talk to y'all in my next video, which will be Wednesday for that mystery reveal. And I think I'm going to have another vlog up this week. So if you like those, stay tuned for that as well. And maybe even what else is going up this week? A favorites video. I might film one. So that's everything. I hope you liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.